This video shows how to use the Simplify feature in Read and Write for Google Chrome. The Simplify tool allows you to declutter, simplify, and adjust text on the web. Just open the Read and Write toolbar when on a website and click the Simplify button. A new tab will open containing a simplified version of your page. You can summarize or shorten the text using the plus and minus buttons. You can also adjust the contrast controls and make changes to the font or line spacing. The Discover tool makes it easy to learn more about words and terms on the page. Just click any of the purple underlines to see a short description or image. And you can use your Read and Write tools on the simplified text to read aloud, look up words, highlight, and more.
Star Wars is an American epic space opera multimedia franchise created by George Lucas, which began with
For more information on Read and Write, visit texthelp.com.